Are you a man over 60 who's looking to improve your erections in the bedroom? Well, I'm a doctor, and today I'm going to share with you a game-changing, unexpected ally that can help you achieve better erections naturally. And it's not what you think. I know there are many products and supplements out there that promise to improve your sexual performance, but the truth is that most of them have side effects or don't work at all. That's why I'm excited to tell you about this natural remedy that has been overlooked, but has shown great results for men over 60. In this video, I will explore the surprising benefits of baking soda and how it can help you overcome erectile dysfunction and boost your confidence in the bedroom. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of better erections, keep watching. Now, you might be thinking, baking soda, really? How can something so common and inexpensive like baking soda improve my erections? Well, let me explain. Baking soda is a natural alkaline substance that can help neutralize the acidity in your blood. When the pH of your blood becomes too acidic, it can cause a number of health problems, including erectile dysfunction. By consuming baking soda, you can help restore the proper pH balance of your blood and improve your overall health, which can lead to better erections. Another way that baking soda can improve erections is by increasing nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps to relax blood vessels and increase blood flow to the penis. Studies have shown that baking soda can help increase nitric oxide levels, which can lead to improved erections. But that's not all. Baking soda also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation has been linked to erectile dysfunction, so reducing inflammation through a natural remedy like baking soda can be a game changer for men over 60 struggling with this issue. So how do you use baking soda to improve your erections? It's simple. Just add a level teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and drink it. You can do this once or twice a day, and you'll start to notice a difference in your energy levels, inflammation, and overall health. Within a few weeks, you may even experience improved erections and better sexual performance. I understand that some of you may be skeptical, but I encourage you to try this natural remedy for yourself. There's nothing to lose and everything to gain. You may just be surprised at how well it works. Remember, you deserve to feel confident and satisfied in the bedroom. Don't let erectile dysfunction hold you back any longer. Give baking soda a try and experience the difference it can make in your sex life. If you're ready to unlock the power of baking soda for better erections and a more satisfying sex life, click the link below to get started. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you on your journey to better erections and overall health.